Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start with administrator rights and a restore point. This protects you if something goes wrong. Once signed in, disconnect network cables and Wi-Fi so Windows can't auto-reinstall the driver. Next, press Win+X and pick Device Manager, expand network adapters and identify the exact wireless adapter name and vendor. Make note of the model, string, and driver version. This makes reinstalling easier. With the adapter visible, right-click it. This is where you begin the removal process. You now uninstall the adapter and its package to avoid Windows reinstalling the same software. Right-click the adapter in Device Manager and choose Uninstall Device. Make sure to check Delete Driver Software for this device before confirming. Once removed, go to Device Installation Settings and choose No so Windows won't automatically fetch drivers. For thorough cleanup, open an elevated command prompt and run pnputl-e to list packages, then pnputl-d OEM Roman 20. Inf to delete the matching Wi-Fi driver package. After removing the driver package, reboot the PC to finalize changes. This forces Windows to reevaluate hardware. Once restarted, open Device Manager and verify the wireless adapter is gone or appears as unknown device. If it's present, don't let Windows auto-install drivers. If you need the adapter back, install the manufacturer's package from a USB drive. If the adapter won't reappear or networking breaks, boot safe mode or run system, restore to the point you created. That single step often returns the system to a working state.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.